And today we're going to be checking out this upgrade for your Xbox Elite controller. So let's go ahead, zoom in, take a look at it, and see exactly what you're going to get. So let's do it. Alright, I have a standard controller right here, just to use as an example of what you're going to get. Now this is not made for the standard Xbox controller, this is actually made for the Elite version. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at this anyway, because I want to show you what you can get and show you what you can do. And here it is right here. And what this is a button and toggle upgrade for your Xbox controller. These are all made out of aluminum. Like you can see that you'll get a new aluminum directional pad to replace the one on your Elite controller. You also get multiple thumb toggles as well. And on the Elite controllers, these will pop off and these will just pop right back on. And as you can see, they are different heights. So you can actually customize how tall or how high you want your thumb toggles to be. You're also going to get, if I can get it out of here, another directional pad, a different styled one. And yes, these are all made out of metal. This is no plastic here. And you're also going to get the little palm switches, I call them. These go on the back side of the controller, and they're actually going to give you the paddles for the back side. And these are made out of all aluminum as well. And you're going to get 4 of these paddles and 1 paddle like this. You will get a screwdriver to help you with installation if you need it. And they also include this little prying kit and this little star screwdriver to complete the full kit to make sure that you can install this upgrade on your controller. Now this is going to help not only change the look of your controller, but it's also going to allow you to customize the feel, and in return, if it's more comfortable in your hand, your performance is going to be that much better. Now even though these are metal, they do have little rubber caps on them to help you maintain that grip. This style right here has the divot, so your thumb kind of sits on the inside, and then you also have this one that's more rounded. So multiple options. A very nice upgrade is going to improve the look and feel of your controller to help give you that edge in gaming. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.